I'm Daniel Nauer. I'm Senior Manager Die and Mold Application for Makino Asia in Singapore. And I would like to discuss the topics of die and mold, what is the future of die and mold, and what are the mega trends in die and mold making. Throughout the globalization, we do see some similarities, the issues of how to keep the workforce up to date, how to make the machines more user-friendly, but we also see the need to go towards the integration of machines under Industry 4.0 and to go towards models of support that are different, where we are able to predict, to connect to the customer's machines, and to offer new service packages in order to maintain the competitivity of our customers. In the market, we see some development in the needs, for example, in the electrical vehicles. It is a very different approach. There is less moving components. The components are of different shapes. So casting will be totally different compared to the conventional methods. We have, for example, the venue of new materials, right, for better heat dissipations that make the molds, the inserts, much more with the molding process much shorter, right, to use the insert to have better heat dissipation. We also start to see additive manufacturing being used for insert with some cooling, right? So this is new, right? New technology. It's at the forefront, and we also see opportunities there in the market. From the perspective of electronics, we do see also a lot in the opportunities in connectivity, in the connectors, right? Everything is now interlinked. With electrical vehicles, we have a whole new set of connectors coming up. There's more sensors everywhere in the everyday items, whether it is a car or a machine tools. All this needs additional connectors. So the very small, the very precise is going on, right? And for EDM technology, it is a very good opportunities, as well as for our milling centers.
Hello, my name is David Conigliaro. I'm the Mill Product Line Manager for CNC Software. We produce a CAD/CAM system called Mastercam. I've been with the company for 11 years, and at this IMTEX 2019, we're highlighting our dynamic mill technology. The dynamic mill technology was developed to solve a problem relevant to tool life and broken tools, to increase metal removal rates, while at the same time increasing tool life. Our approach was to try to put the tool under a consistent load and consistent cut conditions in an effort to extend tool life. We're trying to avoid putting the tool under pinch points, tight areas, which can cause squeaking and chirping on the machine tool. Our dynamic mill technology will ensure that the tool is experiencing a consistent load, which will lead toward consistent chip thickness, which can lead toward better heat management, predictive heat management, and altogether that leads toward predictive tool life. Mastercam's dynamic mill technology is a technology that's available from 2 through 5-axis machining, from a very simple 2-axis job to a high-end 5-axis job. This style of roughing, it can be executed on 4-axis equipment, 5-axis equipment. We've even introduced the technology in our turning product, so you can actually use this the same benefits from the milling technology on a lathe machine and create that same consistent cut and that consistent load on your turning centers as well. Mastercam's dynamic mill technology was developed very closely with a leading tooling manufacturer. In fact, we developed quite a bit with partners in the industry from both the machine tools and the tooling vendor side. From technology like dynamic mill to better 5-axis motion. We've partnered to develop certified post-processors. We do a lot with our industry partners, in an effort to bring more reliable solutions to the end customer. CNC Software is located in Connecticut, that's in the USA. And we have a full machine shop. We have mill turn machines, we have 3-axis machines, we even have manual machines. So we develop our software and we test it on machines in our own shop so that we can break tools and our customers can machine safely. And I thank IMTMA for inviting me in this year.
Hello friends, my name is Sunil Joshi and I am responsible for digital machining sales at Sandvik Coromant for the South and East Asia sales area. Great to connect with you all on this Tech Talk for IMTech TV and thanks for this opportunity to IMTMA. What I would like to talk about is the industry trends and also about Industry 4.0. So what everyone is facing in the industry today is about small stops, unplanned production time, a lot of waste which is happening, decisions which are mainly taken on gut feel rather than based on any fact-based decision making. And this is actually reducing the overall efficiency and increasing the waste in the manufacturing industry. At the same time, we have seen that there are 5 mega trends which are emerging. The first one is about globalization. The world is becoming a smaller place to work with and transparency is a need and moving forward. At the same time, urbanization and growing wealth. We are seeing that a lot of middle class is moving from the rural areas to tomorrow's future megacities. Challenging demographic trends. We see that today's competence will retire in a few years and we see that a lot of millennials and a young generation will come into the manufacturing sector. At the same time, growth in information and technology, which means a lot of small and good quality sensors will be used to take decision in the manufacturing industry. Last but not the least, sustainability. With the growth in population, the raw materials is also depleting and we need to be more and more efficient and reduce the waste. We find that these 5 mega trends posing different challenges to the manufacturing industry, but these challenges can provide us huge amount of opportunities to create a profitable workshop by embracing the new technologies in Industry 4.0 and digital machining solutions. Industry 4.0 is about reducing waste and improving efficiency. With the Industry 4.0 solutions, manufacturers could be able to produce consistent quality, create the first time right component, as well as track the cost, what is happening in the machine shop. At the same time, we are aiming to provide the industry with an offer that can connect different parts in its value chain. We believe that providing the industry with the right quality data will help them to take better decisions which can reduce waste and improve efficiency. At the same time, the future consists of working together jointly and walking this journey together with all our partners like the machine tool manufacturer partners, cloud partners, at the same time CAD partners, CAM partners and everyone. So welcome to the future and we believe that walking on this journey together, collaborating with all of you, we will be successful in digital machining and Industry 4.0. Thank you very much.
I'm Santosh Nagaraju, technical specialist in Simofact software. So when we talk about software, it is new technology, so new trend, so where the market is moving towards. So now we have software called Simofact, where it can address the manufacturing risk in additive manufacturing. So when it comes to additive manufacturing, so it is a new trend, a hot cake in market where the whole industry is focusing and looking into additive manufacturing. So how it can be taken it into the productionizing and how we move it into the new technology and trends. So how does this software helps additive manufacturing in such a way that where they can make their product cost efficient, then even they can make the faster product into the market. So basically Simofact support users in predicting the challenges, predicting the risk in the 3D printing part and calculating the life of the 3D printed part. So not only this, there are product where even you can design from the billet to the final part. So it's a kind of a virtual shop floor where you will be starting your design from the application point of view and you will be calculating the complete manufacturing process chain. So including what will be the product time, what will be the cost of it, and what will be the challenges during manufacturing process. So with the software, we are quite sure that so we can make sure that additive will be the future for all manufacturing.
My name is Thomas Grödel. I'm coming from the company Heidenhain, which is located in Germany. And I'm here at the IMTEC show to show the newest trends and where the world is focusing on it. This is, first of all, the closed loop campaign. That means that you have the produced part in the right quality from the first beginning. The next time, or the next point, is to use the TNC controller system with dynamic efficiency and dynamic precision parts to get more chips out from the machine tool. And this is also the trend to be more accurate directly from the first beginning and to be as efficient as much as possible. Then I also have to thanks to the organization here at the IMTEC show that I had the chance to give the presentation and to show the newest trends where the whole world is looking for. And it was a very good organized seminar, the location, and for all of our people who gave some speeches. Thanks to this again from my side.
Welcome at the IMTEC show in Bangalore. My name is Peter Wiedemann. I'm responsible for sales of gear cutting machines for Liebherr Gear Technology. Yeah, we had, I think, a lot of good years in the past in the gear industry, and this movement we feel will continue, however in a certain different way. And what we feel in the market is with the electrification and power density increasing because of smaller gearboxes in the future, there is a lot to do for us, still a lot on our plate to technology-wise be ahead of the curve. And we are talking about a lot of different options right now in order to face these challenges. So when we talk about electric vehicle gears, for instance, there is new topological modifications when it comes to generating grinding necessary in order to make these gears not only low noise, but also make them highly efficient. So we offer a lot of new technologies in regards to enter into the electrification and support this movement in the markets. For green machining, there is a lot of tendency to have chamfer cut and dedicated chamfer on the gear in the future, where we offer a slew of different options. We are very closely working with institutes and also with the manufacturers of gears in order to specify what we can do in the future. So this is really helping us. The partnership with the industry, the partnership with other sub-suppliers is helping us to also technologically put a lot of emphasis in the R&D. This IMTEC show is the perfect surrounding for us to be present in the gear world and also to learn about new trends and technologies in other industries as well. So we have the honor to be able to present at the exhibition and also learn from other technology leaders, which is a great platform, and we are really proud and happy to be here. Thank you very much.